Squeaky, help!
Roy, where are you? Are you in here?
I'm not sure where I am.
Don't worry, I know what to do. Marco!
Polo, 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 polo! You found me!
How do we get out of here?
Happy Valentine's Day, Dixie.
Thank you, Roy. Happy Valentine's Day to you, too. Oh, no. Are you hurt?
Only my pride.
I'm hit. What the heck?
Yum, Valentine's Day chocolate.
Get him!
Happy Valentine's Day, Squeaky.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Uno!
Not so fast.
Squeaky, we talked about this.
Am I playing Old Maid instead of Uno again?
Roy here, interrupting your feed to bring you breaking news. The haters are still hating. I repeat, the haters are still hating. And we're gonna let them hate. Back to you, Squeaky.
Not the breaking news thing again. You always do this while I'm sleeping.
I just realized I haven't given you guys a Clubhouse tour. Let me show you around. First, we have the giant gummy bear. I always have to remind Squeaky it's not edible. Over here, we have our vanity. Usually, it looks like this. But I made it look nice for the tour.
Charlie, why did you put all of our makeup under the rug?
And upstairs is where we hang out and read and watch scary movies. And Roy does all his exercises on the cloud trampoline at 6 a.m. every morning. That's it for now. Anything else you want to see?
Squeaky, have you seen my hair color changing hairbrush? I can't find it anywhere.
Yeah, I think I saw Roy using it.
I don't think so. Hey, what's that? Hand it over.
By the way, I think it needs to be charged.
Ugh, Squeaky.
How much longer do we have to do this?
Dixie said she wanted us to clean out this entire row.
Squeaky? What are these?
Should we?
Definitely. Get ready, Charlie. This blowout's gonna be so amazing, it's gonna blow you away.
Ooh, I can't wait.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Well, one of us got an amazing blowout.
I think I'm a summer. Or wait, maybe a winter. Actually, I kind of look like a spring.
Well, I'm definitely an autumn. Because I love hats and scarves and pumpkin spice lattes.
Well, I love the beach and ice cream and hot dogs. Does that mean I'm a summer?
Can penguins even be summers?
Hey guys, what do you think? I got some new Beak polish.
It's a little bright.
Really? You think it's too bright?
No. We think it looks great.
I've always wanted to be a hat guy, but I could never find the right one.
What about this one? This one? This one looks good.
How about this one?
If you like it, I like it.
My new dress.
Hold on, I'll fix it. Well, that didn't work out the way I thought it would.
Actually, I think I like it even more now. Thanks.
Why the sigh, Dixie?
All of these accessories are so cute. I wish I could wear them all. Amazing! And heavy.
I hate to say it, but
Don't say it.
careful what you wish for? Hi, Charlie. What are you doing?
I'm looking at this cute guy's Instagram.
Ooh, let me see.
Thanks for offering to sew up my jean jacket, Roy.
Of course. Almost done. And voila.
I always wanted a cape. This weather's making my hair so frizzy.
May we interest you in some hairspray?
Sure, I'll try anything.
Behold!
Thanks, guys. It's perfect. I guess I'm staying in tonight. Woohoo!
Yeah! Oh, whoa, whoa!
Roy, is that you? What happened?
Yeah, it's me. I don't know what happened.
Hi, guys.
Charlie, you're here? What is this place?
What do you mean, Squeaky? It's our clubhouse. Where we hang out? Are you okay?
Are we in some kind of dream or something?
I don't know. Pinch me. Uh-oh, it didn't hurt. I think we are in a dream.
What are you guys doing?
Just
Having
fun.
So cool. Can we join?
Of course.
I'm flying. Can you guys get me down? I'm not kidding you guys.
Charlie, did you steal my hairbrush?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah?
I'll ask you again. Did you steal my hair color changing hairbrush?
Okay, fine. I did. But only because Roy told me to.
Side note, doesn't work on penguins.
What's going on, Roy?
I don't think he can talk. Quick, grab his legs.
It's going to pop!
That was awesome. I'm gonna do it again.
No!
What's up, guys?
I'm giving her a makeover.
Are you sure about that? You've never done makeup before.
It will be fine.
How bad could it possibly be?
Ta-da!
What's so funny?
Oh, are you playing in your next Halloween costume?
It's okay, Roy. It's your first time.
Does that mean I could try again?
Sure. Now it's Dixie's turn.
Okay. I'm passing the phone to someone who has borrowed and never returned at least 50% of my clothes.
I'm passing the phone to someone who has never taken a shower in less than 40 minutes in her life.
I'm passing the phone to someone who never replaces the toilet paper roll.
Well, I'm passing the phone to someone who never flushes the toilet.
Charlie, that's not true.
I think she was talking about me.
Come on, guys, get out here.
Yeah, we want to see.
No!
We look silly.
I bet it's adorable.
Fine.
You better not laugh.
We won't. Personally, I don't think you two have ever looked better. I didn't know you two knew how to braid hair.
Oh, yes, we've been very good at it.
Ever since this morning when we learned how to do it.
All done!
Please tell me you also learned how to unbraid hair this morning. Roy, could you bring up my eyeshadow palette from downstairs?
Always happy to take the slide.
Ooh, I want to slide too.
Whoa!
Slide! Huh? Where are we?
Whoa!
I guess this will work. What do you think? Should I go blonde?
I've always seen you as more of a purpleette.
What about red curly hair?
I don't think it's quite you. What about this? Red hair was good, actually.
Yeah, let's go with that. What's this? Magical manicure kit? Okay, that really is magical. Oops! Maybe a little too magical.
Mwah! Well, that was weird.
Look what we found in the closet.
It's a jacket that changes colors.
Whoa.
See?
Can I try it?
Roy?
I'm over here.
Roy!
No, over here.
Roy?